The storming of Bastille on 14 July 1789 is observed all over the world. In Paris, as jets soar high to color the sky blue, blanc, rouge, personnel of armed forces march on Champs Elysees. At night, the Eiffel Tower is illuminated by means of fireworks. At Karachi diplomatic post, hundreds of guests converge to commemorate the National Day of France. Addressing the ladies and gentlemen in the audience, COnsul General Didier Talpain focused on the Franco-Pak relationship. He spoke about the returning of Mehrgarh relics and exposition of photographs featuring Pakistani destinations. The Consul General noted that there was a great possibility of augmenting the volume of trade between the two countries.
Pakistan, France does this in the